I draw a vertical axis through my ellipse, those four corners should be the same, or as close to the same as you can get them, okay? Just make it a little rougher on the edges. So you can draw your ellipse on a long and short axis, or you can check your ellipse by drawing a long and short axis through it. Now, I'm no longer calling it a horizontal or vertical axis. I'll tell you why in a minute. There's your long axis. There's your short axis. Because the ellipse doesn't necessarily have to be parallel with the floor or bottom plane, right? You can have a cylinder turn like this. So your ellipse is tilted. You like tilted ellipses? Josh? Yeah. Okay. So if you have an ellipse that's tilted, you'd still draw your long and short axes through it. That's a bad ellipse. Give me another shot. But where the long and short axis intersects, what do you got? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Getting right back to 90 degrees, right? So however you turn your ellipse, when you draw your long and short axis through it, that long and short axis maintain 90 degrees. But wait, there's more. You guys good with that so far? Or I make them stop? Let's say I've got a transparent glass, and I'm going to establish my eye level for this transparent glass. Here's eye level. I'll get out of the way in a minute so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, if this is a glass, we'd see an ellipse at the top, and we'd see an ellipse at the bottom. And since I have eye level pretty much right in the middle here, those ellipses should pretty much be the same width, right? Because they're both, this one's crooked, they're both above and below eye level at you know, roughly equal distance anyway. As the ellipses get closer to eye level, they become more narrow. So you have, not that one. Okay, so as my ellipses get closer to eye level, they get narrower until they get right at eye level, and then it just becomes a horizontal line straight across. If this is a glass of water, and you're looking straight at it, you'd see the level of the water as a horizontal, right? But as it's moving up, it's curving up, or it's the ellipse is happening. And when it starts coming down, same thing, narrow ellipse, a little wider, and then at the bottom even wider. So the ellipse in relation to your eye level will determine how wide it is. Yeah?
Wait, so closer to eye level is smaller?
No, it's horizontal. So imagine this is a glass you're looking at, or a can. Let's just say this is a can. And you've got, and it's right on your eye level. The top of the can would appear like that as a horizontal line. If I hold this cylinder right at eye level, the line that I would draw on top of this would be straight, would be horizontal, okay? As this gets lower, I see more of the ellipse, more of the ellipse, more of the ellipse, it's wider. As it gets higher, I see more of the ellipse. I'm paying homage to the cylinder. More and more of the ellipses is going that way. This is going to be really important when we start drawing cylinders and stuff, because not only should you be able to put the long and short axis through your ellipse, But if you only see the bottom of it, you should be able to draw a horizontal underneath that curvature, and the curvature should be the same on both sides. Later on, we're drawing models and cones and such, anything that's round at the bottom. When you see the bottom of it, you should be able to draw a horizontal, and the curvature of it should be swinging the same direction, same height on both sides. I'm putting that horizontal down, right? You guys with me? Any questions about that? You know, cone's the same thing. I mean, this isn't anything to do with the lecture right now. But if I'm drawing a cone, I have to make sure that if I put a horizontal in the bottom of the cone, that it's curving up the same on both sides. Because what's at the bottom of the cone? Right? This stuff's really, really crucial to making good drawings. Because, you know, knowing technique and having a style, all that's great, but if your perspective's off, but most of the time, your drawing looks like it's done by a charlatan. You don't want that to happen. Perspective's cool like that. I mean, there are all kinds of different ways to approach perspective. But this type of perspective, this type is pretty much right or wrong. And there's very little gray area. And if you can make a drawing you worked on for 3 weeks, and you did so many beautiful things in the drawing, if the perspective's off in a couple of spots, that's what everybody sees. That's how it's cool, okay? You guys good? And you know what I want to do? Well, next week I'm going to draw a table and a chair and show you how to put it in this room. And I'll give 1 point perspective homework next week. I'm going to take a picture of this.